Old Fish Market, or rather the Municipal Theater in Cleveland. We apologize for the slight delay in starting this evening, which is due to circumstances.
That's already all right! You're the ones trying to get your hands on already!
Due to circumstances.
You know what? Ow!
Beyond our control. We ask that you bear with us for a moment while we deal with her, with them, with the circumstances. And I'd also like to tell you about a long and highly successful tour.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the delay in starting tonight, which is due to circumstances which have now been brought under control.
No!
Our long and highly successful tour is on its very last legs.
No!
Leg. So from now on, there'll be no more hiccups, no more holdups. So please, enjoy what remains of the evening.
That kind of stuff.
Right, and I've got to get those files for our basic stove office by 4.
So when this managed to fit it up. I mean, we'll just get it, pick it in.
Right then.
But we won't want it to hold the champagne.
All these doors.
Only a handful, really. Study, kitchen, and a self-contained service flat for the receiver.
Right. And which one's the...
Oh, the usual offices? Through here.
Fantastic.
I've lost the song.
Sorry, I thought there was no one here.
Well, not here. I didn't know where I am.
I'm from the agents.
Lost the phone now.
Squire.
Never lost the phone before.
I'm tracking. I just dropped in to go into a few things. I want to take a few measures. Do one or two odd jobs. Oh, and a client I'm showing prospective tenant over the house.
Open the door.
She's thinking of renting it. Her interest is definitely aroused.
Bedroom?
Bedroom, no, this is not the bathroom. You see, and this is the housekeeper. This is
Sardines! Dear sardines!
Oh, hi.
Standing on the ground.
I don't worry about us.
I've been in the floor,
We'll
wash.
just inspect the house. I'm sorry about this.
That's all right. We don't want the television, do we?
Television, no, because she didn't mention wanting to watch this, this thing with the royals just in case anyone's watching this and thinking, my God.
Great. Come on, then. I've got to be in basic stovepipe 4.
All right, that is fine. Set that straight.
Oh, well, bring it up with us.
Yes, where are we?
And don't let my files out of sight.
What?
What? Her.
Oh, her, yes, because she has been in the family for generations.
Sardines, sardines. It's not for me to say, of course, dear. I just say this. Take the plunge. You'll really enjoy it here.
Oh, great.
I'll put it here. Look, if anyone wants it, you don't know where to find it.
Terrific.
Sardines, sardines. You'll have to do the sardines. I've got to go to the kitchen and make some more sardines.
You see, she thinks it's great. She's even making us sardines. I think she's terrific.
Terrific.
So which way?
I don't know, kind of parcel them up in the,
Up here?
and down here.
In here?
It's down
It's another bathroom.
the back.
Always trying to get me into bathrooms.
Back, boss.
Oh, black sheep.
No, it's not. I mean,
Oh, you're in a real state.
take
You can't even get the door open. Dear old house.
Waiting for us.
It's rather odd finding a telephone in the garden.
I'll put it.
So it's bound to win it. Oh, look, it's better on the downstairs bathroom. I think I disentangled it.
I crawled through the bathroom window. Oh.
It's rather funny, though, creeping in like this for a wedding anniversary.
It's damn serious because it's in the revenue. Finds out where the...
Country. Even for one night.
Right, yes, sorry. Because it's in the revenue. Finds out where the...
Country.
Country.
Even for one night.
For one night.
Bangos! Are claiming to be resident abroad.
Resident abroad. Absolutely.
Bangos most of the year's income.
Right, yes, well, I think I better go upstairs and have a little lighting.
Yes, a line down, of course, a French windows. Downstairs and upstairs.
I'm so sorry.
Sardine.
We are. You haven't seen us.
I can guess which one of them put this here.
But the main thing is the Cossacks are after us. So if anyone asks, you don't know anything, nothing, let's just get a hot water bottle.
In all he goes, I want you to know about his letters.
His letters?
Letters? What letters? Before all the mail got to you.
Not the presents from Sardinia here.
I'm so sorry.
I put the presents from Sardinia in the pigeon house.
In the pigeon house.
In the pigeon house down here, love.
Like your voices. The boxes. The boxes.
But there's no one here.
Yes, but there could be someone from the office going to check about these.
Well, I still don't see why you've got to put your tie on to look.
One has certain obligations.
Oh, look, she's opened up our
Come back,
side.
no.
What?
Mrs. Crockett.
Mrs.
One
Crockett?
has certain obligations.
Sardines here, sardines there. It's like the Battle of Waterloo out there. Oh, you're still looking around, are you?
It's the
You've been in this closet, were you?
Oh no, just that. And door and
Good thing I can't see phone with this leg.
yes, Mrs. Clackett.
Crack it, dear, crack it.
Mrs. Clackett. Is there anyone else in the house? Mrs. Clackett.
No, I haven't seen no one, love.
I thought I heard voices.
Voices? There's no voices here.
I must have imagined it.
Oh my God!
I beg your pardon.
Oh my God!
What is this?
The side door's open!
Do you know what I mean?
Nothing! What is it?
Final notice. Steps will be taken. District proceedings in court.
Oh my God, who are you?
I'm Philip.
You're Philip. What happened to you?
Well, it all got a bit slippery down there.
You haven't done yourself an injury, have you?
No, I'll be fine. You aren't gonna tell me a gentleman to come out the house, were you?
What?
You aren't gonna tell me a gentleman to come out the house, were you?
Oh yes, a gentleman come about the house.
Don't tell me I'm not here.
He has a box for you outside in the garden.
Let them do anything, just so long as you don't tell me.
All right then, love. I'll just sit down and turn on the sardines. I forgot. I haven't forgotten the sardines. I must go to the kitchen and make some more sardines to celebrate.
I didn't get this. I'm not here. I'm in Spain. But if I didn't get it, I didn't open it.
Darling, I never had a handle like this, did I?
Didn't you?
I never would have gotten something as brassy as this. Oh, this is something you gave me, was it?
I should have never touched it.
No, it's lovely.
Stick it down, put it back, never saw it.
Well, I'll just put it in the attic in case anyone else wants to have a try.
All right, now the sliding door's open. What was going on? Knocking. Upstairs. Oh my God, there's something in there. Oh my God. Listen, I can't because look, it's come off. I can't, because, listen, darling, or whatever's in there. Darling, can you, listen, look, come around into the, for pity's sake.
Final notice.
Oh, it's you!
Of course it's
gone.
Oh, I never wanted to be mixed so good again.
Just don't panic. This is perfectly fashionable.
Final note. Step
God,
forward.
get over it, Ben. No,
Now that I'm saying you know my song is for this one, she's gonna kill him.
he's done. Just keep going.
Don't panic. Don't panic.
He's all right. Just keep going.
I'll fetch Mrs. Splotchet.
You're an inspector on here.
I'll fetch Mrs. Splotchet, and she'll tell us exactly what's happening.
She won't, you know.
I'll tell you what's happening.
There's a man in there, yes?
No.
No, there's no one in the house.
No, he's out here, and so am I. Look! I know this will come as quite a shock for everyone. I mean, finding a man at the bottom of the staircase. It's quite a surprise, isn't it?
Oh dear, thank you.
But, now that we've met, we'll all just have to introduce ourselves, right, darling?
Introduce ourselves. Oh dear.
This is my husband, and my great surprise is to go straight to his nose. There's a man lurking in the altar room! Oh, look! How delightful! Another unexpected guest! Why don't you go in the garden and see what you can see? Darling, why don't you get the bottle marked poison in the downstairs room? That answer anything.
Yes, right. I heard you were getting stuck with the problem, but this is ridiculous.
No bombs, no murder.
Maybe join the party, love.
I'm a burglar! This is most exciting!
It's all my fault. Because whenever I say I've heard of people getting stuck with the problem, but this is ridiculous.
No bar.
Just keep going!
When I think I used to do banks, and I used to I thought the closure was clear, you see. No, I was listening most carefully. He says, what's the line?
I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem.
And then he closes the no bars.
They always kill in threes now, don't they?
When I think I used to do banks, when I remember I used to do bullion balls.
Hold on! This man is not a burglar. We know this man. He's not a burglar. He's our social worker.
He's what?
He's a nice man who comes in and tells us what to do.
What to do?
What to do?
What to do?
What's he saying?
He's saying, get through it for doors and sardines. Yes, that's what it's all about. Doors and sardines.
Doors and sardines.
Yes, sardines. He's saying, phones and police.
Phones and police.
He's saying bags and boxes.
Bags and boxes. Bags and boxes.
Sheets! He's saying sheets! Oh, sheets! He's saying all we want now is a nice happy ending!
Happy ending.
Happy ending! Yes, sure! Happy ending!
Oh yeah! It's the wedding day!
Yes, to get married!
Oh.
What a happy ending!
Do you take this sheet to be your lawfully wedded wife? Speak now, or forever hold your peace.
What's he saying?
He's saying, last line!
I'll tell you one thing, Vicky.
What's that, Dad?
When all around is strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned plate of...
Come on along and listen to the lullaby of Broadway, the hip hooray and ballyhoo, the lullaby of Broadway, the rumble of the subway train.